I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person.
Alright, so yesterday Akuapem Poloo was saying say Oko prison no nkwofobi ajijiska ewo nechi achese. He mentioned the name DKB. Yes, DKB in question. Or no, Akuapem Poloo say apart from those called celeb, obia no wajiska wo nechi a odiama no. Nti no nam so ma mu ina so money to say Oko eye prison no. Impakura na oye in charge of sa donation DKB now say mama into chesika en famboa Akuapem Poloo na Akuapem Poloo by there elko 2 weeks ka say sika bia no a ne nsaka nti no DKB ete sare no so wakwakoye police case ebusanfo enye police case ki 20 Akuapem Poloo there she is in another trouble but Poloo obi ka say yes only DKB fine if say DKB almost campa. There are so many ways to talk to him than rather doing a video and tarnishing his image. When him say BS or the Akoto Bank or the Bema wana on farmer. Now for phone, while recording video, intino a DKB or the ASEM no a Akodan a police for forms no and a who no screen is no DKB a file a police case or a report. I'm a police for say, but be a Akuapem Poloo will be ano. I'm going to na Poloo je two trouble one hina wasem police station court and kan we and I was so akoka DKB na DKB so ade na asem ne ba say ni one free Poloo na one na nka but Poloo no di kan mistake say one confront DKB a offer phone say oh yes video no nti abusafo without wasting much of your time no san share video na Poloo oti amount for warning say obi a waji ne sika bia no fabre no na onya ono na ekoda prison jabusafo Poloo die obesa akombi mpe.
People have been calling me from UK and US telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me, and then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday said she's called Aunt Ma Alice. She said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me, and I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you, because I really appreciate it.